Trainer Mikey. Now here's an object that I will line under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call our tiny bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super president kakadu. Scientific name, kakatuwang galita. They inhabit mountain woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They're vernal birds and they eat almost any time. They usually seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love work. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it gets that thing, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. And she found it! A round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer John. Now, for our next featured birds, are just like their monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Really dramatic, right? Not as anyone will attest in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky are beautiful girls, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy, 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 Sassy. And how about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky, 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 Rocky. Okay, birds ready? Trainers ready, set, go! Here's Rocky on his first ball. Followed only by Sassy. Another ball for Rocky. Let's see who's gonna win. About that, you guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Trainer Jerry.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So, the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's what is first ring. Okay, what's happening? Sassy, bring out, let's ring ring. About that, 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you think she cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Rachel and Trainer Derek. Particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and get work. So here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to the correct slot. Just like Sassy, red is from South America, and they're known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. This because they're the second largest next to the hybrid macaw. They can grow up to 92 centimeters length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Araptorabera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbank. There you go, girls and boys! A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Rachel. So this time I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again, an adult volunteer 500 best meal. Just raise your hands and say you're ready. We'll choose one. Okay, I think we got one already. Have you run? Right here on stage.
Sunbathing.
You will notice the birds here, so our most sweetheart is the ones that are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and physically inclined. And they can remember even the smallest details. Okay, let's wait for our lucky guest. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Ma'am, what's your name? How about a round of applause for our guest, Ma'am Sam? Now ma'am, can I have the money? Okay ma'am, all you have to do is stand right here, facing this way, and stand the left arm, just like this, as I put your money between your fingers. Now ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Any idea? Well, now let's call our money bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Molympic attitude. Scientific name, Kakatuwa Molympic. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they're the largest among the white kakatoos. Also, Buddy can detect the money if it's real or fake. Now, when we're ready, better be because here comes Buddy. Buddy gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. A round of applause for our donor. Before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, now you know your money will go along the way and you're very, very grateful. You will now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. And now, another 1,000 pesos this time. Anyone? No more? Ma'am Sam, excuse me, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. However, this meeting is just part of the show. Please stand back here in front. And we don't give your money back. Mom, Buddy's saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay. Look at the camera and smile. One more. How about on your hand? Just open your palm. Look at the camera. And smile. And now, ma'am, there is your money. A round of applause for our lucky guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our prominent guide. Here comes Steve. Prominent gentlemen, yes, for English. One of the more hunted species of birds of prey around the world. These birds are found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They're locally known as Lawi or Banawi in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons meaning homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our brand guides and our homing pigeons.
Ayaw na mo eh.
Here at the Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but we're also born in landed air as well. Now guys, who knows that we are? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. disposal. See, if our lovely birds can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope with God. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer John with Body. Trainer Birdie with Sassy. Trainer Vida with Shadow. Trainer Derek with Speed. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye! By the way guys, please remain on your seat because we'll have a sea lion show. Thank you!